Twinkle Toys here with a new
I'm home. Oh God.
big, big thanks to the Illuminati here. And then now we're gonna have our toy review. Dr. Instruments.
Instruments.
Instruments
You
of
mean utensils.
magic.
Okay.
Utensils. Get them all.
Okay.
Leave no left behind.
Okay.
A big thanks also to the Dr. Dre
Yeah, this is
for being here, and also Mr. Hey. Yes, I killed this guy and then resurrect him with the 666 powers. Okay, let's start unboxing this. So we have our lovely X-Man thing here. There wasn't a lid. I don't see a lid. Oh, my bad. 666, 666. Ah!
I think it's open by now.
Oh, it's open. Okay. We have our little thing. Let's
It's
just
a puzzle.
let's get right into the news. This looks pretty pleasing. Pause it! So, Fat Albert here, you're gonna have to get off the spotlight. Get off the spotlight. There's a pause. And remember, children, always stay in school.
Don't do drugs either.
Don't do drugs either. Into the next one. Survival of the fittest. Ah! 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 Oh, that's a lid. My bad. Stupid me. Ha ha ha. Oh, please, catch it everywhere.
No? Okay, yeah.
Romney's. Get that stuff out of here! Today we're going to be cooking with Cancer. Meet my new friend Cancer. Oh, hey guys. Today we're going to be making some turtle soup. Or alligator. Or big fat Albert soup. Is it hard enough? Okay, that might be good. Okay. First we're gonna need some pepper. Oh. This be looking some
Oh god, it smells so bad.
Some good, funny looking turtle soup.